Alright, welcome to this channel, and it's Gokul from techy-tech. I'm glad that Hackney site has finished the offline backup process, and we are entering into our realistic missions number 4. And this is number 4. Fishes Animal Products is a company. FAP is a company that slaughters animals and turns their skin into overpriced products which are then sold to rich bastards. Help animal rights activists increase political awareness by hacking them. And in this case, we are taking this challenge. And the message from the Save the Whales is: Hello, I was referred to you by a friend who says you know how to hack into computers and websites. Well, I was wondering if you could help me out there. This local store who is killing hundreds of animals a day exclusively for the purpose of selling jackets and purses, etc. out of the skin. I have been there to their website and they have an email list for their customers. I was wondering if you could somehow hack in and send me every email address on that list. I want to send them a message letting them know of the murder they are wearing. Just reply to this message with a list of email addresses, please. And the website is here, the website provided by them, and you can open this in new tab. And here's the Fishes Animal Products. We have fuckers, algorithm accessories, and welcome message with subscribing to their email list. Just you can either give a fake email address or a real email address. I'm putting the real email address here. Gokul Krishna Sanjay, and click on add to list. And it shows email added successfully. And get back into their site. And you just give any words such as, and I'm gonna give techy-tech here. Click on add to list. It shows a error message, error inserting into table email, and this is the table with name called email. The every email addresses entered by the customers will be saved into their database, and it will be in the table called email. Just don't forget the table name and email not valid. Go ahead back and you can get into fuckers, and it shows a basic such as products.php category equals to 1, and get back and see alligator accessories. Yeah, and this is also same as, but category equals to 2. They have put them into the categories as 1, 2, 3, 4, so on until the database and finished. And here this is 1 and this is 2. Get anything, and here we are gonna use a SQL injection process. That's SQL injection process. You can learn this in w3schools.com, and here we are gonna give order by 1, and it shows a page like this, and clear that and you as order by order by 2, and the order has been changed, and this was up and so and we gonna get 3 here. The order again changed. You can enter until the order it shows nothing. Order by 4, and still there is 1 on order by 5. Here this shows nothing. That we know the previous one as 4, and we have note that the database contains only 4 columns. There's only 4. In this case, we are gonna use union all select all the columns in the database 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. There are 4 databases, 4 columns in the database. Click there, it shows everything, and it shows 2 and 3 there. It doesn't show the 4th one, and we are doing this as null, and the second one as null. You can put any one of these column as asterisk, and null, but this shows nothing. And there's still one thing we're gonna add here is from email. And here's the email list has been appeared. You can put, and here's just copy the every email address who the customers get back into a hack this site play level 4. Click on your profile name here, get again on to your profile name there. Here, so you're gonna send a message to the save the whales, and the subject as email list. Paste the emails there and click on send. It shows us you have successfully completed Rollistic 4, and here in this we have learned some better things such as SQL injection, hacking a website using SQL injection, accessing the database. So if you like this video, click on the like button, share, subscribe, and comment your opinions on comment section. You can so don't forget to share this video so I can get more views. Thanks for seeing this video, and bye.